The Amazon rainforest is the largest rainforest on Earth. It covers about 5.5 million square kilometers across South America. The forest stretches across 9 countries, with most located in Brazil. The Amazon is home to about 10% of all known species on Earth. Thousands of plants, insects, birds, and mammals live beneath its canopy. Many species found in the Amazon exist nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon River is the largest river by water volume in the world. The rainforest produces massive amounts of oxygen and water vapor. Moisture from the forest helps influence weather across the planet. Millions of people, including indigenous communities, live in the region. The rainforest is one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth. Because of its global importance, the Amazon helps stabilize Earth's climate. For this reason, it is often called the lungs of the Earth.